In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to avoid police in Waze Web. To get started, open Waze in your web browser. The goal here is to use the Waze live map so you can preview your route ahead of time and check for community-reported police markers that may appear along the way. This can help you compare routes more carefully before you head out. Once you're on Waze, navigate directly to the official Waze live map. Make sure you're using the real Waze site so the map data and route information are current and accurate. After the page loads, look toward the top right-hand side of the screen. This area contains the main menu and map access options. From there, click the 9-dot icon. That opens the app style menu where Waze places additional navigation tools and sections. When the menu appears, click on Live Map to open the full mapping interface if you're not already there. Next, shift your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. This is where Waze gives you the route planning panel. In the start field, enter your starting point. Be as specific as needed so Waze can generate the most relevant directions. Then, in the end field, enter your destination. Double-check both entries before moving on, especially if similar location names appear in the suggestions. After that, press enter to let Waze generate your main route along with any alternative routes that may be available. Give it a moment to finish loading. Once the routes appear, look closely at the highlighted paths on the map screen. Waze will usually show one primary route and one or more alternate options, which is helpful if you're trying to compare what appears along each path. Now scan the map carefully for the small blue police hat icons. These icons represent community-reported police presence. If one of these markers appears on your primary route, you can visually compare the alternatives and see whether another route appears to avoid that reported location. As you do this, remember that these reports are user-generated, so they may change over time or no longer be active by the time you reach that area. It's a good idea to refresh your route view when needed and review the map closely before making a decision. That's the full process for using Waze Web to check routes and identify police markers on the live map. Follow the route panel, review the highlighted options, and watch for the blue police hat icons so you can make a more informed route choice before you start driving.